Let me walk you through how to extract multiple public datasets with metadata from data.gov.uk using Minexa.ai. No coding needed. I am opening the page that already has the results loaded on data.gov.uk. Now, just click the Minexa icon in the browser toolbar to get started. With Minexa open, hit I'm on the right page, so automatic detection of the datasets catalog can begin instantly. That fast, the page scan is complete and Minexa is ready to go with the datasets list detected. List only, or also extract what is on each results detail page. You choose how much data to gather. Click Continue or Advanced to define clicks, scrolls, or inputs needed before the list shows up. Minexa highlighted the right block automatically. Hit Create Scraper, and this is the one-time step where it learns what to extract. All fields detected. Minexa even picked up data hidden inside the page, like dataset titles, publishers, and formats. If you write code, click API Request. The scraper template replaces per-page LLM calls with direct deterministic extraction. Now, just click Complete Configuration, and the scraper is saved in your Minexa account. Minexa detected the pagination. Every run moved through all pages automatically with no extra setup. Final step. The job is ready. Optionally add a schedule before clicking Complete Setup. Click Run, and Minexa starts the job straight away. Nothing was interpreted, inferred, or adjusted anywhere in this output. Every value is exactly what existed on the page at the moment it was scraped, pulled from the right position every time. This includes dataset titles, descriptions, publishers, update dates, and formats, ensuring you get fully accurate and reliable data. Download the results. 1 row per item, 1 column per field, ready to use for your analysis or reports. Minexa works for anyone who needs data from the web. For developers, it replaces an entire scraping stack with a single API call and consistent deterministic output.